This invention changed everything for Victorian ladies. The mechanical bustle is a frame of gears and springs. It sits under the skirt and supports the bustle. Women could lift the bustle with a small lever. No one had to ask a servant to help. The form looks like a metal cage. The cage follows the shape of a normal bustle. Inside, tiny gears turn when the lever moves. The gears pull a hidden bar up and down. The bar holds a fabric panel. When the bar rises, the panel expands outward. That creates the big fashionable silhouette. When the bar lowers, the panel folds close. The function saved time and effort. Ladies could sit, walk, or dance without a heavy weight dragging them down. The lever sits at the waist, near the corset. A gentle push lifts the whole structure. The system uses springs to keep the panel in place. The springs act like a rubber band, that means they store energy when stretched. The design also kept the silhouette stable during movement. The aesthetic matches the Victorian love of ornament. The metal frame is polished brass, shining like jewelry. The visible gears are engraved with floral patterns. The fabric may be silk or satin, matching the dress. The bustle still looks elegant, but it is also a piece of engineering. It used the same steam age fascination with machines. People admired the blend of fashion and technology. The mechanical bustle never became common. Factories and cheap clothing soon replaced the need for such gadgets. Today we do not wear huge bustles, so we do not need a self-lifting frame. But the idea shows how Victorian designers solved daily problems with clever mechanisms. It reminds us that fashion can be functional, not just decorative. The mechanical bustle stands as a witty glimpse into a world where dress and device were inseparable.